Now, from England, introducing the new streaming service of all time. Now, introducing the new streaming service called TV Gaston Streaming Service. The new fastest way to stream shows that you love, such as the things that you love as well. Now, try to go on your website and go to channel4.com and to show all your favorite streamings that you love, such as this, and that. Stream 1,500 shows for free. TV Gaston streaming service. All for you, all for free. So alongside other channels including TV Gaston, Gaston 7, More Gaston, Film Gaston, E-Gaston, and Music Gaston. Try them all for free and watch them all every tight. Or go to channel4.com or in branch. Start streaming. And please log in before you stream.